Dozer, when you're done, bring the ship up to broadcast depth.
Peace, ladies and gentlemen, it's your man Trip coming at you with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about something very, very serious. We all heard the news. Charlie Kirk was assassinated today for just speaking to a crowd of people. And somebody that didn't agree with him thought it was best, in their best interest, to kill this man and shut him up. That was an old white man from Utah, Democrat. I forget his name. But he felt that it was his duty to silence this other man. Now, Charlie Kirk be pissing me off sometimes with some of the stuff he says. You know, I don't know how to label my political views, if I'm a conservative or I just try to do what's right. Okay. And maybe I am old-fashioned. I believe in the Second Amendment. I believe in free speech. So I've never tried to shut anybody up permanently for just speaking their mind, for having a difference in opinion. Okay. And lately I've been doing videos about getting prepared in this truck because I foresee riots, civil unrest. We're not even 9 months into the first term, into the first year. We're not even 9 months into it, and it's pretty crazy. You know, we got Russia sending drones over Poland now. You know, that's NATO. You know, we have the Jews clashing with different Americans here. There's just a lot going on, you know, especially for us black men. We just had a black man killed a Ukrainian refugee in the train. Today, here in, I think, South Carolina, North Carolina, I think it was in South Carolina, there was a shooting at Walmart. I was going to go to that Walmart today, too. It's crazy because I texted my company. I was like, oh, I'm just going to skip going to Walmart right now. I'm going to go pick up the trailer. Man. There's just so much going on. Okay, and I believe that it's every man's duty to be prepared as well as they can be. Okay, as a truck driver, you need to know that it could go down at any time, in any place. We are dealing with a bunch of different cultures, especially as truck drivers. You got the Punjabi, the Serbians, the Russians, the Uzbek, you got Indians, you got the Chinese, you got Africans, you got blacks, you got the hillbillies, you got the rednecks, you got the regular white dude, you got the pot smoking white dude, you got some thugs, you got everything out here in these trucks, and we're always on edge. People are messing with us, cutting us off all day. So it's just better to be prepared, especially as these riots and these protests are starting to kick off. It's just going to get worse. So from now on, I'm only sharing about how to lay your foundation for your for your life, because that's what I'm doing here at Hirschbach. Maybe I'll go somewhere else. I don't know. How to defend yourself, which is very, very important. You need to be strapped up. I'm going to show you a lot of stuff. And how to communicate to get your ass home. You got to be ready to see what's going on around here. You have to be 10 steps ahead. You have race conflict, political ideology conflict, religious conflict. It's out of control. But let me tell you something about these liberals, these Democrats, these leftists. Okay? You remember when George Floyd was killed? You know, a lot of people saying he had a heart attack, died of overdose, whatever. That's not the point. Remember when he was killed? You had like 10,000 black people outside of the killer's house. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Not one of them decided to kill the goddamn cop. Maybe because, you know, we're good people on the inside. But if you believe in something, you have to be willing to die for it and be willing to kill for it. Or else you just get rolled the fuck over. This old white man killed Charlie Kirk for what he believed in. You're allowed to believe whatever you want in this nation. I think on the planet you should be able to. It is survival of the fittest at the end of the day. You have to be prepared. You have to be suited up. You have to be ready for war. There are crazy motherfuckers out here right next to you, ready to blow your fucking top off. It might not be who you think. You think it's the guy in the cowboy hat with the spurs clicking. Nah. It's usually that blue-haired, pink-haired, welcome to loves kind of guy that will blow your fucking top off. Yeah. That's actually the question that was being asked when he got killed. Nobody did a goddamn thing to that officer. Oh, my APU just turned on again. Nobody did a goddamn thing to that officer. So y'all don't believe in what you say you believe in. You don't believe enough to die for it or to kill for it. A motherfucker took a shot at Donald Trump and got eliminated immediately. But he went the step because he believes in it. Are you not seeing what the fuck is going on? That these liberals, these leftists, they are the terrorists. Oh, January 6th. Fuck January 6th. That was one fucking day compared to your summer of terror, killing people, causing billions of dollars of damage. The news takes a couple clips of some people rushing, you know, a couple officers got hurt, one got killed. But most of it was just people just walking around looking at the, oh, that's a nice painting. Like thousands of hours of footage of that shit. It's time to get fucking serious, man. It's time to cut the bullshit out. No more sugar. Only water. Get your steps in. Get the diet under control. TV is for bitches. You should only be learning. Be entertained when you're sick or injured. You're not a little baby child. Oh, I needed some soda. I'm a little baby. It's time to mount up, suit up, prepare yourself for war. If you're scared, This time is not for you to run out, though. Get with the fucking program. I will be sharing ways to defend your personal space. You don't need to be Mr. Tactical, throwing grenades under, you don't need to be doing barrel rolls and popping up, taking out the target. But they are out here, and it can happen at any time. So you need to be prepared. I'll be more than happy to share my ideas with that. But there will be no more just bullshitting with y'all on here. There's no more TV. There's no more wasted conversation. It's time to survive and thrive and level up. So grind hard, hustle hard, know your worth, know your potential, never settle. I'm out. Peace.
Ninja vanish!